Since the day Modi government came to power, the hot topic in the country is about Uniform Civil Code (UCC). The debate of implementing whether to implement UCC or not, will the minorities be considered if the UCC is implemented, and many other factors has become a big fuzz in the country from past several years. Today, on the day of 78th Independence Day, PM Modi gave a speech and talked about UCC, and this is what he had to say.
हमारे देश में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बार बार यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड को लेकर जो चर्चा की है, अनेक बार आदेश दिए हैं, क्योंकि देश का एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ग मानता है और उसमें सच्चाई भी है कि जिस सिविल कोड को हम लेकर के जी रहे हैं, वो सिविल कोड सचमुच में तो एक प्रकार का कम्युनल सिविल कोड है, भेदभाव करने वाला सिविल कोड है। ऐसे सिविल कोड से जब संविधान के 75 वर्ष मना रहे हैं और संविधान की भावना भी जो हमें कहती है करने के लिए, देश की सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी हमें कहती है करने के लिए, और तब जो संविधान निर्माताओं का सपना था, उस सपने को पूरा करना हम सबका दायित्व है।
UCC is set of laws regarding various matters like marriage, adoption, divorce and inheritance that everybody will follow irrespective of their religion, caste, gender, sex and community. Today PM Modi said that the country is following communal union civil code at this point of time, and we all should follow secular civil code. Do the people of Bengaluru agree with that? Do you think that do they think that minorities are considered when UCC is implemented, and do they agree with Modi's comment on UCC? Let's see.
So UCC, I think, is a little more complex. Like, you can't just implement it, but it's definitely necessary. But it's not like a direct integration, because you can't just like not accord for differences. But Uniform Civil Code will solve a lot of the discrepancies in laws, in like private laws and stuff.
So I think it is not good for everyone, because each religion, each individual, I think they have to have their own freedom to live life according to them and to do things according to them. So I think it should be according to individuals and as per their religion, as per their caste. So I think in country like India, it's a free country and everyone should have free chance, or you can say freedom to do the things they want to do, or the way they want to do. Yes.
See, we have to know a lot of things about what all is there in UCC.
Yeah.
So, of course, in some respects, we need uniformity in the country. Like we have to control our population, that is the first thing. But in many other respects, we must respect the culture and practices and traditions of other things, other people who are there in the society. So it's a very sophisticated and complex issue. I will not reject it altogether, but yes, we must have some kind of uniformity in the country as far as some policies are concerned which affect the country, like how many, what should be the strength of the family, how many kids we should have. So that's it.
It's a good approach, because further as we are moving to the whatever the technologies, and we are cultivating all the cultures, we should not have any barricades. Everyone should get the equal opportunity. So it's good approaches.
So it's difficult to comment, because like everybody has different perception. No, all fingers are equal. Every finger is different, as everybody's religion and their view of thinking is different. So like if somebody is coming from a different religion, and like all the thinking upbringing they have seen over their life, so like if I follow something or my parents, and I have seen such things from my childhood, and if they give me a valid reason why something is okay, so why I should not go with that instead of a government is implying a set of rules that you should follow.
But do you think the government will consider minorities as well when it comes?
That's the thing. So like they have to do that before implementing. So it's not as easy as implementing it. But if you do undergo like intense kind of discussions and deliberations with stakeholders, then for sure.
Today, during Independence Day speech, PM Modi said that right now we are following communal uniform civil code, but we need more secular uniform civil code, is what he claims. And what do you think?
Yes, I haven't heard his speech. I am out since the morning. but that's a good thing if he has said that. We should not think about civil code only in terms of religious differences. We have to see it in terms of how we are the people of the nation, and we have to think about a developed nation looking forward. So I think I agree to what he said.
So maybe like as a PM, he is saying ki we should bring a secular UCC, but they should consider the aspect of the country because our company is so much diverse and there are so many things that we have to consider. So I think maybe they have to like look from all different angle possible in that case.
Depend upon people the way they want. I think it's a democratic country. So before passing any law or any, you can say, regulation, they should consult each and every part of their country and the people from each and every part of the country.
Today during Independence Day speech, PM Modi told that we are following communal UCC right now and we need more of a secular UCC in the country, is what he said. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I mean, we definitely do need a secular UCC, but implementation again. So, like on paper versus reality. I don't think, like in reality, we do implement anything secular. We always like favor specific religions. Again, implementation versus reality. So, yeah.